Hello everyone, this is Chris Tech. Today I'm going to show you how to remove write protection on your USB flash disk without using a CMD or command prompt. Here you just need to follow so that we can continue. There is no usage of data. So if you have not subscribed, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Then you come here, write edit. So press enter. So after opening your registry editor, come here, double click on a local machine, double click, come here to source system, double click, come here to current control set, double click on it. So come here to control, double click again, search whether you have storage device policies, but if you don't have the storage device policies, let me delete it so that I can show you how to use it, how to create that. Come here, right click on it, new key, write storage device policies. Then you have created your device storage policies. Come here to new keyword 64-bit value. Right here, write protect. Then here come modify it to put here, then put here 1, because if you press 1, this is the disk, or is not the internal disk, but when it's 0 it means it is the internal hard disk. So you should put 1 so that it would check on the disk or your fresh disk. So press enter or OK. Now this is another method that you can use in formatting your flash disk that have a write protection. So restart your PC, and then I think your flash disk has been formatted. But if it is not, you can download an app that is called Wondershare, recover it. You can use it. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe my YouTube channel if you see that I can help something, and then like my video, share it so that many people can get to what we do. And it's a pleasure that you have done it. So please, thank you, I love you.